Okay, we've got a personal bank which offers 2% compound interest every year, and the secure bank which offers 4.3% interest for the first year and then 0.9% compound interest for the following years. Well, I mean, that on top of that, it's all compound interest anyway. Okay, so we've got 25 grand we're going to invest for 3 years. Which is the better deal? Right, well, this is PIN. Okay, so the amount of money you end up with is PI to the N. Okay, where P is the principal amount, I is the interest expressed as a decimal, and N is the number of years. Okay? So for the personal bank, the amount of money we end up with is PIN. Right, let's do it here. So personal. Principal is 25,000. Okay? The interest, 2%. Okay? So we multiply by the interest. 2% expressed as a decimal. Yes, it's 0.02. However, you have to add 1. Okay? So it's 1.02. Because if you multiply by 0.02, the actual amount expressed as a decimal, you'll get 2% of 25,000, and that will tell you how much interest you get. But you've also got the original amount there. You're getting interest plus the original 25,000, so that's why you have to add 1. Okay, so the number you get should be after what? That's how much you get after 1 year. That should be bigger than 25,000. Okay, so that's why you have to add 1. Okay, right. So that's the interest, and the number of years is 3. So we cube that. Okay. And that's it. That's how much we'll end up with after 3 years for the personal bank. And that turns out to be 26,530.2. Okay? Simple. Right. The secure bank. Right, it's a bit more complicated, this one. We can't just shove it straight into PIN, okay? But it's the same principle, okay? There's still 3 years, right? And it's that for the first year and that for the remaining 2 years. So it's going to be 25,000 times. Okay, after the first year, it's 4.3%. So what's 4.3% expressed as a decimal plus 1? It's 1.043. Okay? Be careful, don't fall into the trap and forget that 0 and multiply by 1.43. That would be 43%. Okay? So that's how much you got after the first year. Then whatever that is, we're going to multiply by, for the second year, it's 0.9%, so that means multiplying by 1.0. Again, don't write a 9 there, that would be 9%. It's 0.009. Okay, so that's how much you got after the second year. It's compound interest, so we multiply each time. And we could just square that if you want, that would be fine because it's that much, 0.9% for 2 years. But I'm just going to write 1.009, okay? And that's how much you got after 3 years. So, stick that in your calculator, and you get 26,546.46 to 2 decimal places. Okay, so which one gives you more cash? This one does. The secure bank. That's it.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button, and it would be a massive help if you could subscribe. It would also be amazing if you could support me on Patreon. All the papers and everything are on my website, drjem.com, and I'm also on social media. Thank you.